Welcome to Sandwich Dad. I'm Sandwich Dad. If you saw last week's episode, you may remember I bought a giant supermarket sandwich, a Dagwood, lumberjack, whatever you may call it. I took half of it and yassified it into a real thing of beauty. But what did I do with the other half? Well, I'm going to show you. I took out all of the meats and veggies. The lettuce was starting to wilt because it had been left for a day, so I just scooped all that out. But with all the good salvageable fillings removed, we placed those onto a cutting board, added some additional red onion there, and in reconnoitering my fridge full of condiments, I found some roasted red peppers, which we're going to use. Gonna need some more lettuce since we threw out the old wilted stuff. That's just iceberg there. I've got some pickled jalapenos as well. Need a little bit of heat, I think, in this sandwich. I've got some pitted Kalamata olives. I'm going to add a little bit of Kewpie mayonnaise. There's mayonnaise in the bread already, but I want to make sure this all comes together. I've got some oregano, a little bit of garlic powder, why not? And then I'm going to take the top piece of bread, and you know what? We're going to have to scoop this. As we mentioned in the previous video, supermarket sandwiches, they tend to be a bit bready. And I only have so much Metamucil. Next, we're going to take our mess here, and we are going to chop it. Look at those knife skills. Such speed. Such accuracy. This is what happens when you're the Sandwich Dad. I swear this is not sped up like 100 times. Now to bring it all together a little better, bit of olive oil on top, couple splashes of red wine vinegar, another couple scoops, and then we're going to load it all into our hollowed out top piece of bread. Pat it nice. All the leftovers can go on the bottom half here, and, well, that's it. It looks as if we have taken our latter half of our giant supermarket sandwich and made a chopped sub. A giant chopped sub. Look at that. Making old ingredients new again. I'm kind of surprised that in all my years as an internet sandwich guy, this is the first time I've actually made one of these viral chopped sandwiches. We're going to put it on some parchment paper. We're going to wrap it up. I'm going to tape it up with some tuck tape because I'm fancy like that. And I'm going to take it to work for my lunch tomorrow. Can you believe I have a real job? Anyway, let's put this in the fridge. You get a nice look at my fridge there. Pat, see you tomorrow. Before we go, I better try some of this chopped mixture to see if it's any good. And thumbs up. And lo and behold, I actually forgot the sandwich in the fridge when I went to work, and I guess I'm going to have to eat it after work. So sort of a 4 p.m. pre-dinner sandwich. But this does mean that we have our knives so we can cut diagonally and reveal. Overnight in the fridge, supermarket sandwich turned into a viral chopped sub taste test. It's pretty good. And of course a sandwich like this brings all the dogs to the yard. Look at them feeding on my dropping leftovers. For more sandwich content, follow Sandwich Dad. Sandwich Dad, good day.